guests, colleagues. Hi, welcome to Kadirhas University. I'd like to apologize for not being here to welcome you when you arrived. I was in Ankara, struggling with the Turkish Airlines bureaucracy and the Pope. So the combination of them is quite formidable. This is a new initiative. Some of you have been already here. The others are coming for the first time. We just started last month this Food for Diplomacy project. We thought that I'm being the expert, some call, in international relations, or at least a background in political science. We have quite a strong international relations department at the university, and also we have a wonderful chef school. So why not to combine them all and stimulate the mind and also the stomach at the same time. So this was the idea, genesis of the idea, which was generously supported by Lexi Trust of German Marshall Fund. So this is how we started last month with an Armenian chef, and this month with the support of Consulate General of Israel, we are dipping our hands into Turkish-Israeli relations. As you can see, we don't shy away from difficult topics. Next online, I hope to be Ukraine, then other countries will follow. If we don't have problems with our neighbors, some of our neighbors, we will create more problems so that we can have more food for diplomacy. Okay, foreign ministry helps us, I think, as well. I will not take much of your time, as everybody waits for the guest speakers. But let me thank a few of the people who tried to make this success. First of all, of course, the chefs. Our guest chef tonight is Ruth Russo. She was born in USA but raised in Israel. She's an executive chef of Loet, a stylish Tel Aviv coffee brand, an entrepreneur, and also food columnist. But we also have our own chefs at the chef school here with Istanbul Culinary Institute, our partnering entity. We've been partnering the last 3 years, first with the chef school, then with this wonderful restaurant here. And you will all be invited, of course, at any time to come here, not only for this special night. But I'd like to thank all our chef school participants, students, and chefs as well. Tonight we have 2 speakers, both of which are experts on what they are going to talk. Ambassador Özlem Samberg does not need an introduction in this country. He has been long-serving ambassador, Undersecretary of Foreign Ministry. He was, until recently, part of Board of Trustees of Kadirhas University, and he agreed to come and join us tonight. He was, of course, also part of the commission dealing with Turkish-Israeli relations after Marmara incident. Our second guest is Arat Mir, who is a journalist, meant for many things, as I was told. He's not only a journalist, he's expert on Turkey, or at least focuses on Turkey, but he's also very good deal on doing things with food, as I was told, and an author of a book on Turkish cuisine, and of course also he's been writing about Turkey in various ways, so he's also a right person to speak at this event. Let me thank, of course, Lexi Trust beginning to support this event. And finally, again, to Israeli consulate, who generously also supported this particular event. So bon appetit, enjoy the night, and enjoy the food. So I'll see you around during the night.